Today we'll discuss about heterocyclic chemistry part 7. Introduction to oxazole. Oxazole is a 1,3-azole having an oxygen atom and a pyridine type nitrogen atom at the third position in a 5-membered ring. This compound was first introduced by Henst in 1887 but was not synthesized until 1947. The benzo derivative is known as benzoxazole. Oxazole does not occur in nature and thus does not play any part in fundamental metabolism as do imidazole and thiazole. Oxazole derivatives have become increasingly important because of their use as intermediates for the preparation of new biological materials. Chemistry of oxazole: at carbon 4 and carbon 2 position of oxazolone, if substitution of functional group is occur, it plays a vital role in the activity. Substitutions of paranitro group in exocyclic phenyl group at carbon 4 in oxazolone moiety greatly influence the immunosuppressive activity. C4 of oxazolone moiety and substitution of functional group at carbon 4 and carbon 2 position of oxazolone are fundamental of tyrosinase inhibitory activity. Addition double bond at carbon 4 position and phenyl ring present in carbon 2 position plays an imperative role in oxazolone ring. Oxazolone ring operating action decreased with an increase of the electron donating properties of the substituent of the phenyl ring at carbon 2 position. Exocyclic double bond act as dienophylline and unsubstituted oxazolone precipitate in intermolecular Diel-Alder reaction. Activation of Lewis acid of the carbonyl group of unsaturated oxazolones gives electrophilic character to the beta carbon. Oxazolones contains a distinctive structure and varied application for variety of pharmaceuticals, natural products and bioactive compounds. For example, the diazoamide and oxazolone contains bioactive natural product shown evidence of anti-cancer activity. Preparation and synthesis of oxazole. Several approaches are available for synthesis of oxazoles as Robinson synthesis, Fischer oxazole synthesis, Erl-Meyer-Porchy reaction, from ethyl alpha hydroxyl ketosuccinate from isocyanates by reductive acetylation. First, formation of oxazole by dehydration of 2-acyl amino ketones. Second, synthesis of oxazole from condensation of cyanohydrine and aldehyde. Third, synthesis of oxazole by condensation of aldehyde and hippuric acid in dry acetic anhydride catalyzed by acetic anion. Fourth is in which involves a reaction between ethyl alpha hydroxyl ketosuccinate and formamide to give diethyl oxyl oxazole 4,5-dicarboxylate, which is subsequently hydrolyzed and decarboxylized to oxazole. From isocyanides, reaction of isocyanides with acid chlorides or anhydrides yields substituted oxazoles. Why reductive acetylation? By the reductive acetylation of the alpha oxamino derivative of a ketone followed by dehydrative cyclization. Physical properties of oxazole. Oxazole is a liquid boiling point 69 degrees Celsius and has an odor resembling that of pyridine. It is miscible with water and many organic solvents. It is weakly basic but more so than isoxazole. Its reaction suggests it to be an aromatic compound. Its spectroscopic properties have been summarized. The dipole moment of oxazole has been measured to be 1.50. Aromaticity of oxazole. Oxazole have 3 carbon, 1 nitrogen and 1 oxygen. All are sp2 hybridized. sp2 hybridization is planar. It makes a planar oxazole ring structure. Each ring atoms also contains unhybridized p orbital that is perpendicular to the planar of sigma bonds. Here p orbitals are parallel to each other, so overlapping between p orbitals is possible. The total number of non-bonding electrons are 6, 3 of 3 carbon, 1 from 1 nitrogen and 2 of 2 oxygen. However, an oxygen atom is highly electronegative, so the delocalization is not overly effective. Chemical properties of oxazole. Electrophilic addition to nitrogen. Oxazole is less reactive compared to imidazole because presence of more electronegative oxygen. Protonation basic property. Oxazole accept proton, act as base from oxazolium salts. Electrophilic substitution to carbon. Less effective due to oxygen present in heteroskeletal. Reaction is possible at 5th position. If ring is activated by EDZ, nitration and sulfonation are more difficult. Diels-Alder reaction. Act as dienes 4-pi component. Oxygen atom is highly electronegative, so conjugated double bond are readily available as dienes in Diels-Alder's reaction. Oxazole readily undergoes Diels-Alder type cycloaddition across the 2,5 position. For example, synthesizing pyridine derivatives by this cycloaddition between an azadines and a dienophenolic followed by this reaction. Photochemical reaction. The light induced reaction of oxazole is more complex than that of isoxazole. This is demonstrated by the irradiation of 2,5-diphenyl oxazole, which gives a mixture of products including 3,5-diphenyl oxazole, 2,4-diphenyl oxazole and benzoic acid. Oxazole ring is thermally stable. Reaction with oxidizing and reducing agents. The oxazole ring is not stable to oxidative condition and thus is opened by the action of oxidizing agents such as cold potassium permanganate, chromic acid and oxazone. 2,4,5-triphenyl oxazole affords a quantitative yields of benzoic acid with chromic acid. Oxazole is normally stable to the action of hydrogen peroxide, but 4-pyridine with H2O2 gives the pyridine and oxide derivatives. Oxazole are form the most part resembling stable to birds as variety of reducing agent, but reduction of the ring to oxazolidine can be efforts with sodium in ethanol. A range of reductive ring cleavage is known. 2,5-diphenyl oxazole is reduced finally to 2-benzyl amino 1-phenyl ethylo by ethylene aluminum hydroxide. Catalytic hydrogenation has been achieved with platinum oxide or platinum in acetic acid to yield acylic products. Medicinal uses of oxazole. The wide range of biological activities of oxazoles includes anti-inflammatory activity, analgesic, antibacterial, antifungal, hypoglycemic, antituberculosis, muscle relaxant, HIV inhibitor activity. Thank you.